Welcome to Megger's Technical Support video series, Frequently Asked Questions. In this video, we will discuss the EasyThump and SmartThump software overview, or ETRAY Software. Now, let's get started. In this video, we'll be going over the EasyThump and SmartThump ETRAY software. For a brief connection overview, connect your ground lead to the system ground. Then connect your high voltage return lead to the concentric neutral or cable shield under test. Finally, connect your high voltage output lead to the cable under test. One of the test functions is a Hipot test. The Hipot test is a breakdown test to show you where the cable has broken down or flashed over under test. In order to get to the Hipot test screen on the SmartThump 25, on your main menu you will see Test. Select the test icon and it will take you to the Hipot screen. SmartThump 25 is also equipped with a Sheath Test. The Sheath Test is still a Hipot test, but it limits your kV to 2 through 5 kV output. The EasyThump and the SmartThump are both equipped with a TDR feature, which is a reference trace. It does so by using a low voltage pulse. The locate feature is to help locate the fault. This is accomplished by overlaying an arc reflection over the TDR. On the SmartThump 25, in order to get to the location screen, you must go through the pre-location selection on the main menu. Once selected, you will also see sectionalizing and ice. Thumping mode can be used to pinpoint a fault, provided a flashover can be established from the conductor. Finally, on the SmartThump 25, you have the burn-in feature, which is typically applied to a known failed cable in order to reduce its fault resistance. This concludes the EasyThump and SmartThump software overview. Visit the Megger YouTube channel for more videos including technical webinars, product overviews, and other how-to presentations similar to this one. Contact us for questions or more information about this topic, or for any support that you may need for your electrical testing.